Hello everyone. Well, in this video we are going to discuss about the changes which are introduced in the Selenium version 3.11. The first breaking changes is the removal of the page factory, which is commonly used in page object model design pattern. And the second one is to deprecate the expected condition class, which is commonly used inside the explicit wait. So in this video I'm going to discuss how to deal with these changes. So first of all, we are going to migrate our project to latest version of Selenium, that is 3.11. So just do a right click on your solution and open manage NuGet packages. Go to the updates tab and update your Selenium to the latest version. And along with this, I'm going to update my drivers also. Now, in order to make sure that the update happen, I will just cross check the version inside the package.config. So you can see here, now the latest version of Selenium is 3.11 in the package.config. Now rebuild your project. Go to error list and you can see here there are a couple of warnings related to the expected condition class, and it clearly says that it is going to be deprecated. So to solve this problem, we are going to install one more package which contains the expected condition class, and you will use the alias for that. So first of all, we need to install this NuGet package in the project and use the expected condition class which is coming from this package and use the alias as expected condition. Again, manage NuGet packages and go to browse, search for this package and install this. Rebuild your project. So now wherever you're getting warning, just add this alias. So it is just telling that use the expected condition class which is present inside this package. So this is the warning, and the moment I add this alias, the warning will go off. So similarly, I'm going to add all the places where I'm getting the warning. Okay, as you can see here, there is one more warning which is related to page factory, and it is saying that page factory is obsolete. So in this case, we need to follow a different workaround while working with the page factory. So first of all, I'm going to remove this piece of code. And now in order to initialize the web element which is present inside the individual page classes, we need to use the lambda expression. So now we cannot use this attribute for initializing. Instead, we need to use the lambda expression. So here, and use the driver variable. So driver dot find element by dot link text and specify the link text. So wherever you are using the attribute for specifying the locator of the web element, you need to replace that with this lambda function. So now it is using the driver and using the find element method by using the locator, that is link text, to identify this particular web element. So you need to do the same thing in all the page classes. So we have bug details, web element, comment out this piece of code and use the lambda expression like this. And in the similar manner, you need to specify for rest of the web element. So these are the ways by which you can handle the deprecation of expected condition class and making the page factories obsolete.